I'm working so hard on my consistency. You guys will not understand. You guys see me come here every day and be like, oh, she doesn't put any effort in the outfit. She just dressed. No, it's not about the outfit. I'm trying to build a character. It's a character that I'm building. It's not about the outfit. When I come here and show you guys, this is just a basic outfit that I can just put together and just everybody can put together. Basic. It's not about the outfit. It's not about the looks. It's about the consistency. Me standing here every single morning. You guys have no idea. You people have no idea. I'm building a character. The character I'm building behind the scenes. You guys are not. It is Friday. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It is weekend, team. First, getting ready for work with what I have in my closet. So this is what I put together. I think I wear this trousers one of these days, and this day I decided to wear it with this blue shirt and the black. My favorite work boots. I really, really love it. It's Friday. I'm happy. I'm excited. It's weekend. I can rest. I have a lot of things going on. Yeah, I have a lot of things going on this weekend. I need to do the kids' hair. I need to relax. I need to laundry. I have some laundries to fold. I got some things going on. I'm just happy that it's weekend. This weekend, I don't have any plans. I don't have anywhere that I actually want to go. Not that I don't have anywhere that I want to go. I cancel all plans this weekend because I want to do the kids' hair and I have some laundries to do. I want to organize the house and I want to cook for the coming week because next week I want to relax. I don't like coming back from work and then cooking. Sometimes I do appreciate it, but now that the weather is nice, it's warm, I don't like coming and standing in the kitchen. So I'm gonna take the weekend to do all of that. I'm gonna be multitasking in the weekend. It's gonna be an amazing weekend, an amazing one, an amazing weekend. One that we're gonna be multitasking, try to do everything. Got the kids' hair. I don't need to braid it. I just need to take the old braids and detangle and wash the hair, and that just stylings will come another day. And I have some clothes to fold, organize the house a little bit. There's not much organized. It's just like vacuum and getting some spider web around. You know, now it's summer. It's warmer, so the spider tend to come a lot. Even though I did it on Thursday, but I'm just like to go behind the curtains, behind the window curtains, and just do some cleanup, the lamps, and all kind of stuff like that. You know, I think I want to do that this week so that next week at least I can rest. Because your girl still does not have holiday. I'm still working, and on my holiday time, I just want to be going out. When I have holiday, I just want to be from one location to another. That is what I want to do on my holiday. Just moving around the country, visiting places, and just having some amazing time with the family. So I don't want to be doing any of those things. So if I have the opportunity now, I just want to cook, organize, and clean the house so that holiday season I have time to rest. That is the plan of this baby year. That is my plan. Just a little bit of this product go a long way. If I don't have any makeup, so I don't want it to be like super, super obvious. Just a little bit, just so that the eyebrow lays in place. That was doing it wrong. A friend of mine was like, you have to press it. Hey, nature, nature, Luna. I could have name what to use. Press it, press it. And we learn. You're never too old to learn something. Yep. The only thing I don't like, if I can be honest, is the shiny thing. You know, like when it's a bit shiny. I'm gonna take this sponge. I'm just gonna press it out of to just get rid of that shine. Yep. Yeah, it's good. A long time that I use this rose water. Let's try it today. so fresh. Go in with the Soldier General 62. I'm using this as a hair mix. Really, really nice. So guys, it is weekend for me. After work I have weekend. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de comment box. Do you guys have any question? Let me know in the comment box. Every single information will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Team Fullest, I wish you all a wonderful weekend and make the best out of it. Have fun. Um, be productive in the weekend. Don't be lazy. If you need to lie down and rest, okay, I can understand that. But be productive. Do not postpone because that's something I'm trying to work on. If I have to do something, I'm gonna do it. I'm not postponing anything. I'm working so hard on my consistency. You guys will not understand. You guys see me come here every day and be like, oh, she doesn't put any effort in the outfit. She just dressed. No, it's not about the outfit. I'm trying to build a character. It's a character that I'm building. It's not about the outfit. When I come here and show you guys, this is just a basic outfit that I can just put together and just everybody can put together. Basic. It's not about the outfit. It's not about the looks. It's about the consistency. Me standing here every single morning. You guys have no idea. You people have no idea. I'm building a character. The character I'm building behind the scenes. You guys are not seeing that. I know some of you guys were like, "Well, the outfit is not anything. It's just normal outfit. There's nothing. There's nothing fancy about the outfit." No, 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 no. I'm building a character. I'm building a character, and that is something that I want it to be so strong to the point that even when I'm not filming videos, I'm still on track. That is what I'm building. And sometimes it takes 90 days for people to build certain character. For some people, it might take more than 90 days. I think I'm part of the people that takes more than 90 days. I'm part of that. Knowing myself, I'm part of the above 90 days. We have to do it. We have to extend it to a point that it's in our DNA. So that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build a character of consistency, a character where I don't only rely on motivation, where I can be consistent, where I see something, I do it. And so far, so good. I'm doing very, very good, if I can say that myself. But I know that I need to push myself out there. This is the reason why I'm like, I'm going to show my outfit for this entire year because I want it to to be planted in my subconscious mind. Like you need to do stuff. You don't wait to get motivation. You don't give excuse. You just do stuff and do it and forget about it. And that is what I'm working on. So yeah, it's not about the outfit. I'm working on a character, and you guys might not see it, but as time goes, you guys are gonna see the character. Yeah, you guys are gonna see it. Thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And I wish you all a wonderful weekend. Ik wens jullie een prettig weekend. En geniet ervan. En maak de best van het leven. Thank you guys so much. Team for this. Peace out. Bye.